Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my new blog as well. ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ today ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਅਨਬਾਕਸਿੰਗ ਵਲੌਗ ਹੈ ਲਾਈਕ ਮੈਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਫੋਨ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਅਨਬਾਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ ਵਲੌਗ ਉਹ ਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਚੈਨਲ ਐਂਡ ਬਟ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ like the video, share and please comment because I am kind of a new vlogger ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ so if you guys see anything right ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਆ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਬੀ ਇੰਪਰੂਵ ਵਟ ਐਵਰ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕੰਟੈਂਟ ਔਰ ਵਟ ਐਵਰ ਤੇ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਸੋ ਲੈਟਸ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਮੈਂ ਗਿੰਬਲ ਆਰਡਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਸੋ I have ordered a gimbal online and that is Zhiyun Smooth4 that is a phone gimbal ਤੇ ਮੈਂ office works ਤੋਂ order ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ and finally it's here and here you go that's office works to my order ki thi and I'm very excited to unbox it. Oops. I think I got it right. So this is kind of a phone gimbal like जो भी पता हूँ अपना भी पता लग जाएगा this is very important जेकर किसी बाहरी कंट्री चलना हो स्पेशली बाहरी कंट्रीज नहीं एवरीवेयर व्हेन यू शॉपिंग ऑनलाइन इनवॉइस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि कभी भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ जाए तो इनवॉइस तो बिना कुछ नहीं करते हैं ओह माय गॉड देयर यू गो देयर यू गो देयर यू गो देयर यू गो that is Zhiyun Smooth4 that is a phone gimbal if you can see that we got these 4 things so let's open it and see how it is. Oops. आई हैव ट्राइड अ लॉट एक्चुअली मैंने 3-4 के बीच में कंपैरिजन किया था और मुझे दिस इज़ व्हाट आई थिंक इज़ बेस्ट एंड नॉट बेस्ट यू कैन से बट इट्स बेटर एंड बेस्ट एज वेल the other one I was comparing is with the DJI that's Osmo Mobile 2 अगर क्वालिटी वाइज इट्स क्वाइट बैड दैट वन इज़ अ क्वाइट बेटर लेकिन अगर फंक्शंस की बात की जाए और बाकी की चीज़ इफ वी कंपैरिजन प्राइस function and other things I think this is the best this is the best so I put the link in description and if anyone wants to buy it can directly buy from that link so it's open time let's open it Whoop. And yeah oh wow I got the case cool what's this is the user manual how we use it service card and the guide so I got the guide if you can see that one I got the notice on Android compatibility so that's with the Android and the iOS and this is the service card if I get to repair it yep so there you go that's the case see the front Zhiyun open it wow oh my god it's so big I thought it would be small man and there you go This is the pattern. Oh, it looks like gun. Yeah, I'm unboxing a gun. Oh my god. पूरा स्टिक किया हुआ बीच में वाला प्रॉपर. There you go. There you go. This is guys. This is a Zhiyun Gimbal. This is for your functionality buttons. This is our rotatable. If you can see this, it's pretty cool, man. What else we got with this is a wire cable. This is a charging cable, and that's a C type. So मुझे फ़ायदा हो रहा है अभी Note 10 Plus लिया, उसके साथ भी C type. And now this is a very important thing for you know making a video, क्योंकि video stable होना is very important. And there you go, the tripod. And this is a tripod for the gimbal, like this. Cool. अगर हमें शूट करना है obviously मूव करेंगे, that will be a stabilized. But if we want to do a stack shoot, so it will be for that one. So let's try. So guys, this is the gimbal, and yep. This is for the phones, and we can stick it like this one. So that's all, and this is the function and everything. And don't worry, this video is just for the unboxing. Or in next video I will show everything, how I manage this, how to fit it up, and how to you start using it just for the beginners, because मैंने पहले gimbal use किया हुआ है, so I know some basic steps. इसके बारे में मुझे नहीं पता. I will also मुझे भी थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा, देखना पड़ेगा. After that I will see how it goes, and फिर हम next video I'll try to show you guys, not try, obviously I will show you guys that how to start working with this one, और तब तक मैं ज़रा इसको देख लूँ. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please hit the bell icon so that कि जब भी मेरी skill regarding या कोई भी next video आए आपको notification चला जाए, and you guys can directly click and watch my video. So thank you for being there this time, and I hope you like it, and I have put the link in description. But पहले आप अगर आप next video देखोगे तो उसमें आप देखोगे review regarding this, how to fix it, and then उसके बाद I will put it in the videos कि ये कैसे work करते हैं, इसके different functions की video is coming. So guys, for that please hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, hit that like button and hit that like button, and please comment below so that I just need a feedback. That's it, we can say for a while. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.